Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another What's in the Box product review. As you see in the title of the video, I'm reviewing this Artman battery charger for your GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11. So let's see what's in the box. So what you get in the box is the USB cable, the charger case, like I said, and these two extra batteries. So charger cables, two batteries, and this teeny tiny instruction book. So this USB-C to USB-C cable, it's about 3 feet. All right, so you got this port in the back. As you can see, when you plug it up, you got this blue light, let you know that there's power being received to it. And these are 3 indicators in the front. You got these 3 slots right here, and the batteries just go right in here. So you have to make sure that they're plugged in the right way. And you'll see that they'll turn red. And right here I'm just charging see if my GoPro Enduro battery fits in there, which it does. Turn red because it needed to be charged. And here is my 11, and put one of the batteries in there and see if it will turn on. And of course it does. So there that is. Alright, so that's my little review on this Artman battery charger. Just of note, the battery does say 9 and 10 on it. Like I said, it does work for the 11, even though the battery says 9 and 10. They literally had the same battery. But these new batteries do not last as long as the Enduro battery. So, but yeah, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Thanks.